It's almost absorbed up all that liquid from where it thawed out. And let it cook just a couple more minutes and then we'll finish it up. Okay, so we're going to turn the heat off. Add in 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Half a cup of cheese. Mine's probably more like 3/4 a cup. I don't know. I haven't measured. It looks good. The amount I have looks good to me. I just shredded it and went with it. In here, I have a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder. And we're just going to mix it all together and get that cheese all melted. Let me get a cast iron handle cover here. For my cast iron lovers, this is a 12-inch black lock skillet. Look at that. That is looking really good. Cheesy, creamy. I am going to be curious to see what Steve thinks. That was my air fryer. I was heating up our ribs. We have some ribs for Thanksgiving for lunch, and then we're having ribs again with this for dinner. And then we're going to have some chocolate pecan pie. All right, and it says to serve this immediately. So we are getting ready to eat, and we'll do a review.
Okay, this is supposed to be cheesy cauliflower
Caulirice.
Caulirice, and I have texture issues, and this is hitting all the buttons of the texture issues. It's like not very well cooked steamed broccoli with cheese on it. That's the taste and the texture. So I don't recommend this. It's not getting any thumbs up. It's not getting a smiley face. And it's not getting drool. I don't even know if the dogs, well, we got a couple dogs that might eat this. Is this dog, can dogs eat this?
I don't know. I'd have to look.
I would pity the dog. But yeah, that's my honest, heartfelt, sincere review.
Okay, so my take on it, I don't have texture issues with it because it's rice cauliflower. I know what the texture is going to be like. It tastes to me like chopped up broccoli with cheese on it. Basically what it tastes like to me. As you can see Steve making his faces. Anyway, you don't have to eat it if you don't like it. This isn't like your mother's house where you have to eat everything on the plate.
I do have ribs.
Well, actually, this used to be your mother's house, so
Yeah.
maybe you do need to eat everything on the plate. Okay, thank you for your honest review. I'm not getting you're welcome or anything.
Yes, you are very welcome.